1. In a single throw of a die, the probability of getting multiple of 3 is answer 1 by 3. 2. The product of two consecutive numbers is 4032. Find the numbers. Answer 63, 64. 3. Two equal sums of money were lent at simple interest at 11% per annum for 3 1 by 2 years and 4 1 by 2 years respectively. If the difference in interest for two periods was rupees 412.50, then each sum is answer rupees 3750. 4. Calculate the mode of the following data. Answer 7. 5. Find the approximate length of the longest pole that can be put in a room 10 meter into 8 meter into 5 meter. Answer 13.75 meter. 6. In a well shuffled pack of 52 cards, a card is drawn at random. Find the probability of diamond or king card. Answer 4 by 13. 7. January 1, 2019 was the Thursday. What day of the week lies on January 1, 2010? Answer Friday. 8. A bag contains 1 rupee, 50 pence and 25 paise. Coins in the ratio 5:6:7. If the total amount is rupees 390, find the number of coins of each kind. Answer 200, 240, 280. 9. If a square plus b square is equal to 117 and ab is equal to 54, then find the value of a plus b by a minus b. Answer 5. 10. A man riding a bicycle completes one lap of a circular field along its circumference at the speed of 14.4 km per hour in 1 meter 28 second. 1 minute 28 second. What is the area of the field? Answer 9856 square meter. 11. A speed of 54 km per hour is the same as answer 15 meter per second. 12. A constable is 114 meter behind a thief. The constable runs 21 meter and the thief 15 meter in a minute. In what time will the constable catch the thief? Answer 19 minutes. 13. Name the Indian representative who attended the International Socialist Conference held in Germany in 1907. Answer Madam Kama. 14. Who established the Indian Home Rule Society in London in 1905? Answer Shyamji Krishnavarma. 15. Vivekananda founded the Ramakrishna Mission in Dash. Answer 1898 AD. 16. The popular greeting word Jai Hind was introduced by whom? Answer Subhash Chandra Bose. 17. Which one of the following rivers is shortest in length? Answer Damodar. 18. Match the following. Answer A2, B1, C3, D4. 19. Match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct code given below. Answer A2, B1, C4, D3. 20. Who was the founder of Aligarh movement? Answer Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. 21. Who became the Chief Minister of Madras Presidency of 1920? Answer A. Subbarayan Reddyar. 22. The President of India appointed 2 more election commissioners to the Election Commission of India for the first time in the year. Answer 1989. 23. Article 148 of the Indian Constitution deals with answer Comptroller and Auditor General of India. 24. Article 243C of the Constitution of India deals with the answer composition of Panchayat. 25. Which is the first municipal corporation of India? Answer Madras. 26. Which of the committee has both representation from Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha? Answer 1, 2, 3. 27. Which one of the following pair is not matched properly? Answer National Commission for Backward Class 1994. 28. Mangrove plants meet high osmotic pressure in the soil. They overcome the problem of water uptake by answer accumulation of electrolytes in the vacuole of the cell. 29. Match the following and select the correct answer. Answer A3, B4, C2, D1. 30. The first vice chairman of the Nidhi Aayog was dash. Answer Mr. Arvind Panagaria. 31. According to the report of the government of Tamil Nadu, the state is occupied the place in the national gross domestic product per capita in 2015 to 16. Answer 11th. 32. The dash imposed tax on profession. Answer state government. 33. Central Leather Research Institute is located in answer Chennai. 34. Which country involves the first driverless bus service begin for a short distance using radar technology and motion sensors? Answer France. 35. Which city is having biggest cricket stadium in India? Answer Ahmedabad. 36. Which state has passed a resolution to transfer 17 subcastes in other backward castes OBCs into scheduled caste SC category? Answer Uttar Pradesh. 37. Who has been awarded Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Award for meritorious services in the Higher Education Department of Tamil Nadu? Answer P. Shanmugam. 38. The President of International Bank for Reconstruction and Development IBRD is answer Jim Yong Kim. 39. The Rohingya are the minorities of answer Myanmar. 40. GST is implemented on which date onwards? Answer 1/7/2017. 41. The first university in India is started in the year. Answer 1857. 42. Which is the first smokeless city located in India? Answer Chandigarh. 43. Oxygen molecule is 16 times as heavy as a hydrogen molecule. The temperature of oxygen when its average speed is equal to that of hydrogen at 30 K is answer 480 K. 44. Select the effect which is related to superconductivity from the following. Answer Meissner effect. 45. The molecular formula of chromate ore is answer FeOCr2O3. 46. Which organelle is absent in human sperm? Answer endoplasmic reticulum. 47. Dash do not take part in mitotic division. Answer heterochromatin. 48. Which of the following continents is a region of great biodiversity? Answer South America. 49. How many number of viruses are known to cause hepatitis? Answer 9. 50. What will be the amount a man would get if he invests rupees 10,000 at 9% per annum simple interest for 3 years? Answer 12,700. 51. 4 different electronic services devices made a beep after every 30 minutes, 1 hour, 1.5 hour, and 1 hour 45 minutes respectively. All the devices beeped together at 12 noon. Then they will again beep together at answer 9 am. 52. Weekly income of 2 persons are in the ratio of 7:3 and their weekly expenses are in the ratio of 5:2. If each of them saves rupees 300 per week, then the weekly income of the first person is answer rupees 6,300. 53. The ratio of two numbers is 3:4 and their HCF is 4. Find their LCM. Answer 48. 54. The value of answer 4. 55. 5 men can complete a work in 52 days. In how many days 13 men finish the same work? Answer 20. 56. Find the value of 1000 power 9 divide 10 power 24. Answer 1000. 56. A man sells wristwatches at rupees 594 each. On one hand, he gains 10% and on the other hand, he loses 10%. Find his gain or loss percentage on the whole. Answer 1% loss. 15. The sum of the percentages of your father and his son is 60 years. 6 years ago, father's age was 5 times the age of the son. After 6 years, what is the son's age? Answer 20 years. 59. Complete the following. Answer XM. 60. At what time between 7 and 8 will the hands of a clock be in the same straight line but not together? Answer 5 by 11 minutes past 7. 61. If 75% of a number is added to 75%, then the result is the number itself. Find the number. Answer 300. 62. How many terms are there in the GP 3, 6, 12, 24, 384? Answer 8. 63. Name the act which ended the rule of British East India Company in India. Answer the Indian Councils Act of 1858. 64. In Maharashtra, V.D. Savarkar had organized the Dash and Dash as secret societies in 1904. Answer Mitra Mela and Abhinav Bharat. 65. Which one of the following is the longest national highway of India? Answer NS7. 66. Which one of the following statement is not correct? Answer 4. 67. Which is the largest rivers of South India? Answer Godavari. 68. Sark is closely associated with answer glacier. 69. The Atharva Veda is related with dash. Answer demons and spirits. 70. The earliest evidence of man in India is found in answer Narmada Valley. 71. Who was the author of Yoga Darsana? Answer Patanjali. 72. Who was the founder of Atmiya Sabha? Answer Rajaram Mohan Rai. 73. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer by using the codes. Answer A3, B2, C4, D1. 74. Administrative tribunals deals with answer Article 323A. 75. Which one of the following is not correct with regards to salary? A. Answer Governor Consolidated Fund of India. 76. In the India federalism, which with residuary powers are with answer central government. 77. The term guillotine means that the speaker answer stops the business on hand and puts the matter to vote. 78. In India, the first municipal corporation was set up in which one among the following? Answer Chennai. 79. The meetings of State Public Accounts Committee are assisted by the answer Accountant General. 80. The new symbol of Indian rupee is blend of dash. Answer Devanagari, Ra and Roman. 81. Match the years given in column A with the nationalization of sectors in column B. Answer A2, B4, C3, D1. 82. Match the following. Answer A2, B1, C4, D3. 83. How many cities in Tamil Nadu have been shortlisted for the second stage of Smart Cities mission? Answer 12. 84. As per the cleanliness audit released by the government on August 13, 2018, which railway station bagged the top spot in 2018? Answer Jodhpur. 85. Which state is the first cyber police station in India? Answer Maharashtra. 86. What is the time duration of the song National Anthem? 52 seconds. 87. How many member countries are in ASEAN? Answer 10. 88. The largest atomic research center of India. Answer Baba Atomic Research Center. 89. India's first full-fledged sport university will be set up in the state. Answer Manipal. 90. Who is the first woman vice chancellor for sports university in Tamil Nadu? Answer Sheila Steppen. 91. India's largest public Wi-Fi service has been launched recently in which Indian state? Answer Maharashtra. 92. Whose birthday anniversary is celebrated as the International Day of Non-Violence? Answer Mahatma Gandhi. 93. Which city in India has launched a mobile application for women's safety while traveling in train? Answer Mumbai. 94. The neutrino has answer zero charge and half spin. 95. The voltage gain of amplifier without feedback is 20 and with negative voltage feedback it is 12. Then the feedback fraction is answer 0.033. 96. Match the following list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct answer using the codes given below. Answer A2, B4, C1, D3. 97. The resolving power of normal eye is answer 100 U. 90. What is the normal pH of human blood? Answer 7.4. 99. Non-volatile covalent nitride AN undergoes hydrolysis to give answer ammonia and aluminum hydroxide. 100. Which of the following reacts with phenol and produces bakelite? Answer HCHO.